Alright, today we're working on a Predator 500 4-stroke. I think we had about 60 pounds compression on this. This is after another bike shop has already set the valves, so we're going to tear it down, do rings and stuff. First thing we did was took off our gas tank seat. Gas tank was held on by this. It slid right out after that. We popped our exhaust loose, took that out. Pulled the carburetor off of here. Air intake boot came off pretty simple after that. Drained our water out of that bolt right there, and took our tensioner out there. Pulled the valve cover off. Took the cam clamp deal back down. I tried to chain around my timing chain wire. Had to take this mount out, and then of course the exhaust. So we've got all that loose. This plugs in right here somewhere. There's a little wire. It's right there. Plugs in too. So we've got all that loose. We're going to pull the head off, and we do have a couple of hoses here. We've got to take that one loose, and there's another one right there. So we're going to take them loose right now, and we'll go from there. Alright, we're going to end up having to take the intake boot off because it is hitting right on the frame right there to be able to get it out. After that, everything should come out. We'll get that off. And somebody has torqued this stuff down so hard, it's just crazy.
Yeah.
Got it? Is that the right one? If it don't fit in there 100%, it ain't the right one. We'll have to find it. I think they torqued this thing down to like 3,000%. There we go. That fit a little better?
It's a lot better.
Watch your knuckles. God. Okay. We can get, if that ain't going to do it, I'll get something else. I'm out. Alright, got them busted loose. Pull that boot off there in a second. Doing alright? Alright, take 17 on pulling the head out. What are we hitting? Somewhere down in here. Well, we're going to pull this phone, set it down, and get this all taken out because I'm not sure what we're hitting on. Alright, take the head out.